Hey guys, I'm Jared with Stryker Boats, and we're here with our brand new Stryker RIB LUX 330. This specific model we have paired with the new Tohatsu 30 horsepower motor. These new motors are considerably lighter than the last generation of Tohatsu, so pair very, very nicely with this 11-foot boat. So if you're wondering, the 330, that's for centimeters, and 330 centimeters in feet is approximately 11 feet. So this boat has lots of really nice fit and finish options. So we have a large pneumatic opening there, a nice pneumatic hinge. Now we have more storage in this, and this can also be used as a seat, this middle area. And then we got a nice large compartment up front, as well as we have storage within the console itself. The fit and the finish on these is incredibly nice. There's many different tie down points, so or lifting eyes. So this specific model just in here has 4. There's also one in the bow, and then there's 2 on the transom. So overall there's about 8 different ways that you can lift this up on your boat if you were to be using this as a tender. Also 4 nice dock cleat positions, navigation lights. There's side steps, front steps. We got a bimini cover for those nice or nasty days. And one of the coolest features of all of our Stryker boats is how we protect them. So we call this Stryker Shield. So the Stryker Shield is applied to the bottom of the boat. So there isn't any actual fabric that's exposed while you're out on the water. So the tubes are completely protected down to the aluminum hull. This is a fully welded aluminum hull, giving you very good peace of mind when you're out on the water, as well as giving you a really nice ride. So guys, thanks for watching. This is our Stryker RIB LUX 330. This is a 2024 model. Been great product for us this year. Customers absolutely love them, and we've really enjoyed building them. Thanks for watching.